Hello everyone. Kia unveiled the all-new EV3, the latest member of its fully electric lineup that will be offered in global markets, including Europe and the US. The subcompact SUV with modern styling promises a WLTP driving range of up to 600 kilometers or 373 miles in the long-range version and comes packed with technology. The production-spec Kia EV3 looks closely resembles last year's concept, adopting modern styling cues originally introduced by the EV9 flagship. Toned-down features include slightly tweaked LEDs, revised bumpers, conventional mirrors, and thicker pillars. Besides the base version, Kia also showed us the GT line trim, featuring sportier bumpers and different alloy wheels. The sleek body and a 3D underbody cover contributes to a drag coefficient of 0.267 CD. The EV3 measures 4,300 millimeters, 169.3 inches long, 1850 millimeters, 72.8 inches wide, and 1560 millimeters, 61.4 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 2,680 millimeters, 105.5 inches. Compared to other Kia products, the EV3 is 105 millimeters, 4 inches longer than the e-Soul, and 120 millimeters, 4.7 inches shorter than the e-Niro. This footprint places it in the heart of Europe's BSUV segment, against the likes of the Peugeot E2008, the Volvo EX30, the Mini Aceman, and the Smart No. 1. The interior boasts a minimalist and futuristic design, incorporating technology typically seen in larger segments. It features a digital panel consisting of a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment display, and a separate 5-inch touchscreen for climate controls, positioned between them. Most buttons are conveniently placed on the steering wheel, with only a handful of physical controls and shortcuts on the dashboard. The center console features practical storage compartments and a sliding table that can be utilized when the vehicle is stationary, complementing the fold-back relaxation mode of the front seats. The EV accommodates 5 passengers in its cabin, along with a 460-litre, 16.2 cubic feet boot and a 25-litre, 0.9 cubic feet frunk. Staying true to current trends, Kia employs sustainable materials for the upholstery, including recycled fabric and recycled plastic. Riding on the widely used eGMP platform, albeit with a 400-volt architecture, the Kia EV3 offers a single electric motor and 2 battery options at launch. The standard model features a 58.3 kilowatts per hour battery capacity, while the long-range variant upgrades to a larger 81.4 kilowatt unit. The latter delivers an estimated WLTP range of 600 kilometers, 373 miles, surpassing similarly sized EV rivals. Moreover, when connected to a rapid charger, the larger battery can charge from 10 to 80% in just 31 minutes at a 128 kilowatts charging rate. The single electric motor generates 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, 204 PS, and 283 newton meters, 209 pound-foot of torque. Kia states that the EV3 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, in 7.5 seconds, and boasts a top speed of 170 kilometers per hour, 106 miles per hour. Looking ahead, the lineup will expand with the introduction of a performance-focused Kia EV3 GT, featuring power enhancements and chassis upgrades. The Kia EV3 will debut in its home market of Korea this July, followed by launches in Europe and the UK in the second half of 2024. It's also confirmed for release in North America, where it's anticipated to arrive in late 2025 or early 2026, starting from around $30,000 to $35,000. Following its launch, Kia plans to introduce the EV4 sedan and a smaller EV2 crossover for the European market. Friends, I would like to hear your opinion about new Kia EV3, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, not to miss the latest news, from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.